Some smoke is normal when using an air fryer, regardless if it's a countertop air fryer or the air fry mode in an oven. Air frying uses high temperatures and constant fan speed, and this combination makes it easy to create smoke when frying. Let's look at what you can do to reduce smoke when using the air fry mode in an LG oven. Let's start with the oil. While I would recommend using some oil while air frying for better texture and taste, the oil you use can also be the reason why your oven is smoking. Oils have smoke points. A smoke point is when cooking fat reaches its burning point, leading to smoke. Since air frying uses a consistently high blowing temperature, it's easy to reach that smoke point. So be mindful which oil you're using when air frying. A good rule of thumb is the lighter the shade of oil, the higher the smoke point, making lighter color oils better for air frying compared to darker ones. Something else that can produce smoke are spices and sauces. Spices like a barbecue rub or even a lemon pepper could burn when frying. Avoid using sauces and rubs with high sugar content like a barbecue sauce or a hot honey. Instead, sauce or season your food when it's finished frying and then put it back in the oven to warm it up for like a minute or two. Homemade marinades and breadings that you might have used in the past for baking might char when using air fry. You still want to use your homemade breading to bread chicken tenders, but check often when using the air fry mode, and if you see any signs of charring or smoke, just try lowering the temperature and then adjusting the cook time. Next, pay attention to what food you're actually air frying. Things with high fat content like chicken skin, bacon, or anything that's considered greasy is going to have a lot of drippings, causing smoke when air frying. Just look at this catch tray after air frying some wings. Make sure to use a catch pan whenever air frying. Use a pan with low sides and lined with foil for normal items, and use parchment paper for greasier items like wings. You can use multiple sheets of parchment paper to soak up grease, limiting smoke. Foods with a high moisture content, like zucchini for example, can also produce smoke due to all the excess moisture that's being cooked out. Bottom line is, anytime you're air frying something new, check regularly and make cooking adjustments when needed to your temperature and time. And always make sure to turn on your exhaust fan when using the air fry mode.